Hey, so let's learn a few questions. These are related to environmental issues. Question number one is Ozone Day. So it is celebrated on 16 September. Question number two, MIC and Chernobyl tragedies occurred at. So MIC methyl isocyanate, it causes Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984, whereas Chernobyl it is related to Ukraine 1986. Next, measurement of rate of oxygen utilized by unit volume of water over a period of time is the measure of, so it is used to measure the biological oxygen demand, which is also called BOD. Next, water pollution is due to, so it is due to the industrial discharge. All above three are related to the air. Next one, which one is found in higher concentration in the atmosphere? So out of given option, it is option number C, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide. These are found in more ratio as compared to the other two. Next one, pollution is rising due to, so it is rising due to the automobile and industries. Option number D. Next, pollution can be checked through, so pollution can be checked by reducing the discharge of the waste. Eutrophication causes reduction in the dissolved oxygen. Option number B is correct one. What is eutrophication? So it is the increase in the organic content or nutrient in the water bodies, which causes enormous growth of the algae, and which reduces the dissolved oxygen for the fishes. Next one, increasing skin cancer and high mutation rate are due to, so they are due to the ozone depletion, because ozone, which is found in the stratosphere, it is involved in the absorption of harmful UV radiation, which if reaches the earth they may cause skin cancer, eye irritation, etc. Next one, sudden mass death of fish is more likely to occur in the eutrophic lake. What is eutrophic lake? The lake in which eutrophication occurs, the nutrient become more, and which causes the algal bloom, is called eutrophic lake. Next one, natural sink of stratospheric ozone is, so it is sulfuric fluxes of the ocean. Next one, major source of methane in India. Major source of methane in India is, so they are in the paddy field or rice field. Most harmful type of environmental pollutants are, so they are the pollutant which are non-biodegradable. Option number D is correct one. Cadmium pollution is associated with the disease Itai. Option number B. Minamata is related to mercury and Japan. Next, phosphate pollution is caused by, so it is caused by sewage and agricultural fertilizers. Next one, common indicator organism of water pollution. So it is E. coli, Escherichia coli. Option number A is correct one. Which pigment protects plant from UV damage? So it is carotenoid. Option number C. Carotenoid protects the plants from UV damage. Greenhouse effect is related to, so it is related to the global warming. Ozone hole is maximum over, it is maximum over the Antarctica. Option number B is correct one. Ozone hole refers to the reduction in the thickness of ozone layer in the stratosphere. Option number B is correct one. Sewage treatment, in which a portion of the decomposer bacteria present in waste is recycled into the beginning of the process. So it is B option, activated sludge treatment. Next one, carbon monoxide emitted by the automobile prevent transport of oxygen in the body due to, so it form the compound, stable compound with the hemoglobin, carboxyhemoglobin. So there will be no bondage between the oxygen and hemoglobin. So option number D is correct one. Warm ocean surge or Peru current that recur after 5 to 8 years in East Pacific along South America is El Nino. Option number A. Among pollutant which has the most lasting effect, so it is carbon monoxide. Option number A. Next question, thermal pollution is more prevalent near, so it is option number B, coal based power plants. Pollution indicator plants, they are sensitive to the pollutants. Option number C is right one. Most hazardous metal pollutant of automobile exhaust is, so it is lead. Option number B. Peeling of ozone umbrella is due to, it is chlorofluorocarbons. Option number A is correct one. Ozone layer of stratosphere requires protection from indiscriminate use of aerosol and high flying jets, which releases chlorofluorocarbon. Option number B is correct one. Use of lichen in case of pollutant is bioindicator of pollution. Secondary pollutant is PN, peroxyacyl nitrate. Rest of three are their primary pollutant. CO2 is not a pollutant. DDT, it is non-biodegradable pollutant. Option number B is correct one. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th of June. Minamata disease is due to the pollution of mercury. Option number B is correct one. Water pollution is due to, so water pollution is due to agriculture discharges, sewage and other waste, industrial effluents. All of these. Option number D. Pollutant released by jet plane are aerosol. Option number B. Carbon monoxide kill because it destroy the hemoglobin. Option number A. NERI, it is National Environmental Engineering Research Institute. Option number A is correct one. A person has impaired nervous system and signs of madness due to continued intake of metal contaminated water. The metal is, so it is lead. Next is methane gas producing field is paddy field. Which one of the following is not a pollutant? So CO2 of carbon dioxide, it is basically not a pollutant. Its increase in the atmosphere may lead to the global warming. As it passes into food chain, the concentration of DDT increases, which results in the biomagnification. Greenhouse effect is caused by, so it is caused by the gases which absorb infrared rays reflected from the earth. Option number C, correct one. Next, greenhouse effect is increasing due to increasing CO2 concentration. Option number A is correct one. Ozone hole is caused by chlorofluorocarbon. Option number C. Result of ozone hole is ultraviolet radiation reaching the earth. Option number D is correct one. Greenhouse effect is due to, so it is due to the higher CO2 concentration as well as absorption of infrared gases and dust particles. So option number C is correct one. BOD, biological oxygen demand, is, it is the amount of oxygen which is consumed by the microorganism for decaying the organic matter present in that water body per unit volume of the water. Next, intensity of the sound in normal conversation is 30 to 60 decibel. Greenhouse effect is due to, so it is due to infrared rays. DDT has been a major pollutant as it non-biodegradable. Option number D is correct one. Fertilizer passed on to fresh water will cause eutrophication. Minamata and Itaitai are due to pollution of mercury and cadmium. Option number C is correct one. Pollutant that reduces oxygen carrying capacity of blood is carbon monoxide. Option number A. 5th June is World Environment Day. Methyl isocyanate of Bhopal gas tragedy was a carbamate. Option number A. SO2 pollution damages chloroplast. Option number D. Primary constituent of photochemical smog are, so they are nitrous oxide and hydrocarbon. Option number B is correct one. Fluoride pollution affects the teeth. Photochemical smog consists of ozone, pan and nitrous oxides. Chipko movement began in March 1973, option number D. A lake receiving domestic sewage shows death of fishes due to oxygen depletion, option number C is correct one. Nitrogen oxide from the atom oil and power plants form fine air particle which led to photochemical smog, option number B is right. Environmental Protection Act was passed in 1986, option number A, which is not a greenhouse gas. So it is nitrogen, option number D is correct one, which is correctly matched. So it is Kyoto Protocol, which is related to the climatic change. Montreal Protocol, it is related to the reduction in ozone depleting substances. Ramsar Convention, they are related to the wetlands. Next, blue baby syndrome is caused by, so it is caused by the methemoglobin, option number D is correct one. Montreal Protocol is connected with the substances that deplete the ozone layer. In which one of the following the body of sewage, distillants, paper mill effluents and sugar mill effluent have been arranged in ascending order? So it is option number B. Ozone layer occur in, so option number D. Ozone actually occurs in troposphere as well as in the stratosphere, and on the basis of which it is also divided into two categories: good ozone, bad ozone. The ozone which is found in stratosphere and is known as good ozone because it absorbs the UV radiation, whereas the ozone found in troposphere is known as bad ozone, and due to its presence in troposphere it is also called chemical weed. So next one, which is not properly matched, it is option number B, mean temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Which one is correct percentage of greenhouse gas? So it is option number D, methane 20%, CO2 is about 65%, and CFC is 14%. Which particle size is most harmful to human health as determined the Central Pollution Control Board? So it is any particle size less than 2.5 micrometer is harmful. Next, photochemical smog consists of, so it consists ozone, pan and nitrous oxide, option number A is correct one. In 1984, Bhopal gas tragedy took place as methyl isocyanate react with water, option number A. Next one is maximum ozone depletion is caused by CFC chlorofluorocarbons. Next, DDT residues are rapidly passed through food chain because DDT is liposoluble. Option number C is correct one. Global agreement to reduce release of ODS is related to Montreal Protocol. Option number A is correct one. During the past 150 years, the concentration of CO2 has increased approximately from 280 to 370 ppm. Option number C. The two gases making highest relative contribution to the greenhouse gases. So they are CO2 and methane. Option number D. Eutrophication is often seen in freshwater lake. Option number D. Which one of the following pair of gases are the major cause of greenhouse effect? So it is CO2 and methane, but in this case option number B, CO2 and nitrous oxide. Next one, good ozone is found in stratosphere. Measuring BOD is a method used for the estimating the amount of organic matter found in sewage water. Green muffler is used against which type of pollution? So noise, option number D. UV radiation causes the formation of methyl dimers, option number C is correct one. Non-biological pollutants are created by, so they are created by humans. According to the Central Pollution Control Board, particles that are responsible for causing great harm to the human health are diameter of 2.50 or less than 2.5 micrometer. The material generally used for soundproofing of room like a recording studio and auditorium, etc. is styrofoam. Option number D. Compressed natural gas is mainly consist of, so it mainly consists of methane. World's most problematic aquatic weed is E. coli. Option number C. Which of the following causes biomagnification? So it is DDT. Mercury can also cause biological magnification. So option number D is correct one. The expanded form of DDT is dichlorodiphényl trichloroethane. Option number A. Which of the following material takes longest time for the biodegradation? So in this case it is bone. Option number C. Choose the incorrect statement. So it is option number C. Dobson unit, they are used to measure the ozone instead of the oxygen. Among the following, which one causes more indoor chemical pollutants? So burning of the mosquito coil. The green scum seen in the freshwater bodies due to blue green algae, also green algae. So option number D, that is both A and B. The loudness of a sound that a person can withstand with discomfort is about 80 decibel. The major source of noise pollution worldwide is transport system. Option number B. Match and choose the correct option. So first of all, Water Act, it was came into force in 1974, then Air 1981, then Environmental Protection Act 1986, and Amendment in Air Act 1987. Next one. Why is it necessary to remove sulfur from petroleum produce? Option number A. To reduce the emission of sulfur dioxide in exhaust fumes. Which one of the following impurities is easiest to remove from waste? So it is suspended solid. Which one of the following disease is not due to contaminated water? So it is hepatitis B. Nuisance growth of aquatic plant and bloom forming algae in natural water is generally due to high concentration of phosphorus. Algal bloom imparts a distinct color to water due to their pigments. Match the item in column 1 and 2. So UV radiation, they may cause snow blindness. Biodegradable organic matter, BOD. DDT, it is biomagnification, and phosphorus eutrophication. Next, Bhopal gas tragedy is associated with, so it is associated with the methyl isocyanate. Option number B is correct one.